You've learned the tools, now it's time to put them into action. In this video, we'll walk you through a complete trading setup using liquidity concepts to identify entries, place stops, and set targets. Welcome back to CryptoHubHQ, where we turn market insights into actionable strategies. The first step in any setup is analyzing market structure. Are we in an uptrend, downtrend, or consolidation? This will guide your strategy. Next, identify liquidity zones where price is likely to react. Look for fair value gaps, order blocks, and points of control as key areas of interest. These zones help you pinpoint the best opportunities for entries. Always keep Bitcoin in focus as the ultimate indicator. Its movements can act as rocket fuel for altcoins when rising, or create a gravity well when falling. Understanding this relationship ensures you're trading with the bigger market picture in mind. Here is how to set up your trade. First, determine your entry point. Wait for price to retrace into an FVG or tap into an order block near the point of control. Use Confluence to increase the probability of success. You may need to move to a lower time frame to establish the perfect entry and stop loss to increase the risk to reward ratio. Next, place your stop loss below the liquidity zone to protect your trade. Then, set your target at the next key level, such as a previous high or opposing order block. Risk management is key to long-term success. Once your trade is active, monitor price action closely. Look for confirmation signals like rejection wicks or volume spikes. Raise your stops or take partial profits as needed to lock in gains. After the trade, review your setup. Did price react as expected? Analyzing your trades will help you refine your strategy and build confidence for the future. Remember, you will always get losing trades, but with this approach, the losses should be small. Trading is a skill, and practice makes perfect. By combining liquidity concepts with a structured approach and keeping Bitcoin as your guide, you're setting yourself up for success. Thanks for watching CryptoHubHQ. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more trading insights.